If you want to earn more income, have free time to spend with your family, and get out of debt, pay off your mortgage, your car, travel more, help others, and make your dreams come true, you need to start your own business. Today, that's possible by working from home through GDI Global Domains International. Don't waste your time starting opportunities to make money from home with platforms that pop up and disappear, that don't have real products or aren't real. Stop jumping from business to business and start building a steady income. GDI is a real, legal, and steady company, with more than 25 years in the market, established in the United States since 1999, and paying without fail. Here you don't build on sand, you build on a solid foundation, so you don't lose the most valuable things you have: your time, your effort, and the trust others have in you. Many people lose their partners and teams because they move them from one business to another that ends up falling by the wayside. With GDI, you build something stable and long-term. When you sign up for GDI, you have 7 days to try out the platform. You choose your own domain name, which will be the name of your business on the internet and ends in WS. GDI allows you to create your own professional website. It's an online business card to promote whatever you want, even if you don't have technical experience. You have access to more than 100 professional templates, an easy-to-use page builder, forms to collect contact info, and tools to build trust with your customers and potential clients. This will make you more professional and trustworthy in everything you do. Plus, you get up to 10 professional email addresses for only $10 a month, which makes GDI one of the most affordable professional website services on the market. Now, how do you make money with GDI? You can make money by promoting GDI to other people using the company's videos and tools. And you can also benefit from the GDI rotator through our team, which allows you to receive potential spillover within your organization. For each person you refer to GDI, you earn $1 per month, up to 5 levels deep. This system is simple, easy, and completely duplicable. It works automatically, and you can earn even while you sleep because you're working as a team. Just advertise and share the information. To understand it better, look at these examples. If you refer 5 people in 1 month and each of them refers 5 people the next month, and the process continues up to the 5th level, in 5 months you could be earning $3,905 per month in residual income. If you refer 10 people and each one refers 10 people up to 5 levels deep, you would earn over $111,000 per month. It doesn't matter how long it takes. All of this is possible if you promote the GDI opportunity. These examples show the power of duplication and residual income. There are no limits in GDI. If you refer one person who works with GDI, it can mean thousands of dollars in lifetime residual income. We have thousands of people worldwide earning with GDI. There's no limit to how many people you can refer or how many people your team can bring in. It's a global business, and your income grows with each person who signs up in your organization. In addition to residual income, GDI offers extra bonuses. You earn a weekly bonus of $100 when you refer 5 customers between Monday and Sunday at midnight. If you refer 10 customers, you earn $200. You earn a $25 learning bonus when you complete the program's initial steps, which are very simple, and you have up to 2 months to finish them. There's also a duplication bonus for the learning bonus. You earn $25 for each direct member who earns their learning bonus. For example, if you have 10 direct members who earn their bonus, you earn an additional $250. And it doesn't stop there. GDI pays infinite levels when you meet the requirements of the compensation plan and offers a $5,000 bonus for leaders who build the business on a large scale. There's even more potential. When you become a premium member, your residual income increases, and you can also strategically place new members within your team to create spillover and encourage growth. To start, you don't need cryptocurrencies or complicated investments. You can pay with a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. The membership costs only $10 a month. This small investment is the key to the business because it keeps you active and allows you to continue building residual income month after month. If a person can't pay $10 to maintain a business that can give them time and financial freedom, I don't know what they can do to get ahead. The key to success in GDI is to keep at it. If you stay active and consistent, your income will grow over time. Think of GDI as a retirement plan from regular jobs. If you leave the business, you lose the opportunity, you lose your structure, and you lose your effort and money. GDI pays worldwide through check or PayPal. If you're looking for a real, stable, and proven opportunity to earn money from home without investing large sums of money, GDI can be the way to build the future you want. You just need to share the information with people. You don't have to sell anything, just share the videos. We also do massive advertising with potential spillover in our team. We can't guarantee it because the business starts with your team. We give you all the tools to promote GDI. Sign up with the person who shared this video with you and start your own business with GDI today. Don't waste any more time. This is not something to think twice about. There is a global economic crisis, and everyone is looking for an opportunity to get ahead. We are in the right place with Global Domains International. Welcome to GDI.